So guys, you're welcome back to another edifying tutorial on how you can do what? How you can start buying from Womata, most especially from China directly. So in today's tutorial, we are looking at how you can fund your account. This is a question I receive most on my pages on Instagram, on Facebook, most especially in my group. On my group on Facebook, you can just do what to join our Facebook group as well. I'm going to leave the link under the description button, so you can also ask questions. Okay, it's a very open and straightforward group. Join the group and ask your questions so people can also attend to you. Okay, so in my previous tutorial we looked at how you can create an account, and I explained into details how this Womata apps works. So if you haven't watched the video, please just ask for the video under the comment section, or you click on that drop down arrow to see the video there. So once you are done watching the video, you can now come back, because in today's tutorial I'm teaching you guys how you can fund your account. Maybe you want to pay for an item, or you've seen what you wanted to buy on this platform and you now want to fund and pay. So that's what I'm sharing with you today. So before then, get to meet me. My name is Samuel Joshua, and this is 𝐲𝐬 Logistics Limited. Here we talk mainly about everything that have to do with e-commerce, buying from China, buying online, importation, exportation. That's what we basically do here. So you can join our community by liking the video, subscribe to our channel, so YouTube will be able to notify you whenever I post any helpful content like this. So let's go into today's tutorial. So to fund your account is very straightforward. So come to your account here, click on my account here, then you will see recharge. Although they have different method of recharge. Recharge simply means funding. Do you understand? So you don't get too confused. They have different method of funding their account when Womata is concerned. So let me explain into detail. So click on recharge here. So now this is their normal default one, recharge online. So if you want to recharge online, I'm going to be taking you through all the two process or three processes. Okay, so the first one you will do, if you want to recharge online, you just come here, input the amount. Let's assume you want to input you want to fund like 10,000 naira. Just assumption. You, after inputting the amount, click on recharge. So it will take you here. Okay, so this is the breakdown. They are going to be taking transaction fee of 100 naira on 10,000, which is still fair enough. So they will provide you with three different payment methods. The first one is their Providence Bank, then the second one is Paystack, then the third one is Alipay. I believe we all know what Alipay means and what it does, right? If you don't know what it does, I have recorded a video on how you can create a verified Alipay account without international passport and with international passport. So if you wanted to know it, just ask me under the comment section so I can send you the video, and I'm going to be leaving it under the description button of this tutorial too, so you can watch it. So it is a payment method when you are buying from Chinese shopping apps like 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, Zhenyun. Do you understand? So you can use it to pay directly. But for the sake of us leveraging in Nigeria, so you can use Paystack or Providence. So let's assume I'm using Providence. You click on go to pay. So it will load now. They are telling you again that they are going to charge you sum of 100 naira for transaction fee. So you click on confirm. Clicking on confirm will take you where they are going to be doing this. So initially they are to provide their company's account number, which is what you are seeing here. So you just go to your bank app, copy this amount and copy this account number, then make the exact amount, which is 10,100 naira. Do you understand? So once you make this payment, just screenshot the receipt. Then you can see it here. There is a countdown for it. So this payment will expire within 10 minutes. If it lapses and you later go and make a payment, they are not going to recognize it, because they want you to pay. They want to confirm this payment within 9 minutes. You can see the countdown here. So you will receive it immediately. Like they will credit your account immediately. This is the first method you can use. So let's go back to the second method. So now looking at this second method here, let me go back So let me click on recharge again. So this is the second method here, recharge by commission. Recharge by commission. This one is absolutely free. So if you click on it, you will see it here. So if you want to recharge, if you want to gain commission, you can start recommending. Now let's look at what they say now, how to gain commission. So if you click on it here, you will see it here. It is by referring. They said in order to attract more new customers to use Womata app, Womata decided to give you a sum of commission reward when you what, when you share your link for other people to do what, to download Womata app through your link. They will give you a certain commission. That is when you want to use your commission to recharge. Do you understand? So that is for the number 2. Then the number 3 is still the same thing as this first one. Do you understand? Which is recharge by bank transfer. So you will get your funds immediately, like immediately. Do you understand? If I'm to click on it now, still enter like 1,000 naira, then click on recharge. It will still takes you, you can see now, click on confirm again. It will still takes you back to this one that I explained the other time. Do you understand? So it's still the same thing. But if you now want to pay like their normal bank transfer, that one is also bank transfer and it's instant. The differences is just that they will confirm it within 10 minutes. But this one, this third one here, which is recharge by bank transfer, if I'm to click on it here, you will see now they give us a Zenith bank account with the description. So when you are making your payment, you must add this description to it. I hope you understand. I try to break this explanation down to the level that if a kindergarten children is watching this video, is going to understand. So this one now is within 24 hours. If you make a payment to this account, just use this transaction description as your reference when you are sending, so they can quickly recognize that the payment is for you. So once they confirm it, they will recharge your account directly and you will see it on your account. That's for this one. So now for me to prove what I'm teaching, I'm going to recharge just 200 naira for a tutorial purpose. Although they are charging they are charging me 100 naira for the service fee. It's still the same thing. So let's say I want to input 100 naira here. But before I recharge, guys, if you've gained value in watching this tutorial so far, please just smash that like button, share it, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We get to discover that people are watching this video, they are not subscribing. I beg you in God's name, please subscribe. Okay, so once you are done subscribing, then we can proceed. Okay, then another thing is we are available for training. If you need a one-on-one mentorship via video call on Google Meet, we can do it on Zoom. I can teach you directly while we are on screen. So we offer it. We also offer consultation and mentorship fee. We also offer what? We offer trainings. If you want to buy directly from, like, you need someone to hold your hand like this, explain it to you one after the other in the language you are going to understand. We're also available for all these services. Then if you want to fund your Alipay account, you want to ship down your goods from China to Nigeria, we can help you do all these things. These are daily routine. This is our daily thing. All right, so let's proceed. Thank you guys for subscribing. I've already thanked you already. So now let's say I want to recharge. Let me say I want to recharge. Let's just recharge 300, right? I'm going to click on recharge. You can see here. So I don't want to use pay stack because they are still going to be charging me the transaction fee. However, whichever one you want to use is good. So let me click on go to pay. I think their service fee is just 4 naira. Depending, is still quite different from the other guys. So let me say I want to pay with OPay. You can see it here. So they are just charging me 4 naira. So I'm going to click on authenticate. I'm paying with my OPay. Do you understand? So let's see. I want to pay with my OPay. So let's wait for this guy to confirm my transaction. Okay, so it's telling me to log in. I'm going to log in with my profile. So I've input my number and my payment, my login pin. So I'm just going to log in with my OPay. This is my balance here. So I'm going to click on pay now. So a OTP has been sent to my number. So I'm just going to received the OTP, which I think I've gotten now. For more confirmation, that's why they are sending me an OTP for them to confirm that I'm the one initiating this transfer. So I've gotten it, so I'm just going to input this code here. Then I think this one is even far better because of the charges. They are only charging 4 naira. So you can see here the payment has been successful. So I'm going to click on OK. All right, so once I click on OK, then it will confirm. You can see now they've confirmed it instantly. So that is the beautiful part of you recharging with Paystack. So you can see now I have 300 naira on my wallet. So that's how to fund your Womata app. So I hope you find value in watching today's tutorial. So if you are interested in buying something cheaper than this on this platform, there's something called 1688. So I'm going to leave the video under the description button of this tutorial, so you can also watch. These people are charging us in naira, right, on this platform, but on 1688 they are charging with their local shipping, their local currency, which is still more cheaper than this, right? So if you're interested, just click on the drop down arrow, so you'll see the video of this link there. So I hope you find value in watching to this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this very tutorial to the very end, and I will see you in my next tutorial.